When do you use like let and then constant?
Okay, good question. So const is to protect you from accidentally changing something that you don't want change. So like, for example, first name, right? Equals Robert. I don't ever want that to change if I had a real app, because then it's unlikely that my user is going to change their first name. But I want to use let for something like age equals 20, 21, right? Because then age can change. So then I can later on say age equals 22. But then if I try to do first name equals Rob, it won't let me. So that's just to protect yourself. And
Can
also,
you bring that also into the
yeah, comment methods, const, let. Protect yourself from accidentally changing the value of something you don't want to ever change. More flexible allows you to change the value as many times as you want. Okay. 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 Any other questions?
So, in the if statement, right? I was wondering, can you put like can you call a function in the if statement?
Yeah, you could. Could show you that.
Like you know how previously you did hero, like yeah, something like that.
Okay. So we have our hero here, and we could. I don't think we even need this for now. Oh, I guess we could make use of it. Okay. So we could do this. If info dot favorite characters dot let's say better yet, there's another method that's kind of like find but returns a boolean. So I'm gonna show you that. Is found equals is hero found equals what I was typing here. If info.favorite characters dot sum character, where character triple equals hero, or character dot name triple equals hero. So this is going to return true or false. And if this is true, hero is found, return the hero. Else, return a string that says hero not found. So when we come here, this will either return the hero that I passed, or it will return hero not found.
Right. Wait, so what's sum?
Sum is like find, but instead of like returning the actual thing that I found, like instead of returning Spider-Man, it will just say true.
So sum is boolean?
Yeah, sum is a boolean version of find.
Okay.
I'll add that too. I'll put it next to find. Oh, I also did something slightly different, if you noticed, when I typed my function. Let's see.
Don't remember.
Okay, I'll show you. It looks through an array. and returns true or false, whether based on whether the condition is true, based on whether your condition is true. Okay, so this is the same as saying that. These two things are identical. So if you have an open squiggly, you have to explicitly say return, whereas if you don't have it, this automatically knows you're trying to say return. And in fact, if you add return here, it won't allow you to, because you're basically saying return.
Right. Can't do that.
Okay. So we see here Spider-Man because we do have a Spider-Man, but let's say if I changed hero to Spider Lady, then we're gonna get hero not found. So that's how you make use of the thing that you pass in and the if.
Ooh, complicated, but this is fun.
Yeah. Well, when you like mix all these different techniques together, then you can really do anything. Like you start rendering things based off of any condition that you create. Like, for example, right now I'm working on a different app it's like monitoring the stock market, and I have a lot of conditions just like based on the market value and what's changed, and over the course of time, I could like very specifically buy the stock that I want.
So it's like when if it hits a certain price, buy a share.
Right. So this is the beginning of infinite possibilities. You could create anything just by knowing and understanding these like 6-7 things. That's it.
So we gotta refine our fundamentals.
Well, I'm thinking in lesson 2, we just get straight into starting to build the thing that we actually want to build. And you'll apply all this stuff. So you'll learn from doing. Like this npm website is a library or a collection of all the different libraries that you can install, and then you would read up about it. They like tell you how to install it, how to use it. It's very like most of these are very well documented.